In this video, I will show you two ways to connect a soundbar to Android TV. We'll be looking at connecting these two devices using Bluetooth and HDMI cable. So first things first, to connect a soundbar to your Android TV using Bluetooth, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and turn on the soundbar. So just use the power button on the soundbar to turn it on, just like so. Now once the soundbar is turned on, you want to come over to your Android TV. And on your Android TV, you want to go over to the settings icon at the top right corner of the TV. So just scroll to the top and then scroll to where you have this settings icon, click on it. And then you want to scroll down to remote and accessories. Now you want to go ahead and click on add accessories. And now your Android TV will begin to search for nearby Bluetooth devices. And while your Android TV is searching for nearby Bluetooth devices, you want to make sure that your soundbar is actually set to Bluetooth mode. If you do not know how to set it to Bluetooth mode, then you want to make sure you press on this button over here on your remote control or on the body of the soundbar until it is showing Bluetooth. And once it is set to Bluetooth on your soundbar, your TV should be able to find your soundbar as one of the devices that it can actually pair with. Now you want to come over to your Android TV and choose on the name of your soundbar. You can see that mine is actually a Hisense soundbar over here. So I'll just go ahead and click on that particular device. And then you can see that it is actually trying to pair with my soundbar now, showing pairing, just like so. And then I'll just go ahead and click on OK again for it to properly pair with the soundbar.
Connected. And
you can see that my Bluetooth soundbar is now connected to the Android TV over here. Now I can go ahead and play sound from the TV and it will definitely come out from the soundbar. Another way to connect a soundbar to an Android TV is basically to use a HDMI cable. And in this video, we'll be using this HDMI cable over here. This is actually a HDMI to HDMI port cable. And the first thing you want to do is to go over to your soundbar and you want to make sure you plug one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port on your soundbar. And you can basically see the HDMI port on my soundbar over here. So you want to go ahead and plug it on the HDMI port on your soundbar like so. Now on your Android TV, you want to make sure you plug the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port on your Android TV. Now, most times you're going to have different HDMI ports on your Android TV, but you want to make sure that you plug the HDMI cable to the port that is labeled HDMI/ARC. So you want to make sure you plug it to that particular port or else this will not work. So I'll just go ahead and plug it to mine like so. Now finally, you want to come over to your soundbar and change the soundbar mode to HDMI or ARC. So you're going to use this button on your remote control or on the body of the soundbar to HDMI or ARC. So I'm just going to change mine so you see. Now you can see that my soundbar is now set to ARC. You can basically see how it is labeled ARC over here. Now the last thing you want to do is to come over to your Android TV and also change the sound outputs to HDMI or ARC. So you just want to locate the sound setting on your Android TV. Usually this should be found on the TV settings or device preferences. And then you just want to go over to where you have the sound outputs and then change your sound outputs to HDMI or ARC. And once that is done, the sound from your Android TV will now start coming out from your soundbar. So basically, those are the two best ways to connect your soundbar to an Android TV. That'll be all on today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.